Hey friends, welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story.
Hello, my name is Emma. I am 15 years old, and I live in a small city near the mountains. I am a high school student, and I usually go to school from Monday to Friday. My favorite subject is art because I enjoy expressing myself through drawing and painting. In my free time, I like reading novels, listening to music, and riding my bicycle. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park near my house, especially in the evenings when the weather is cool. I am a little shy with new people, but once I get to know them, I become very friendly. My mother's name is Laura, and she is 40 years old. She is a nurse, and she works in a hospital. My mother is a very hardworking and caring person. She usually leaves the house very early in the morning and comes back in the afternoon. Even though she is sometimes tired after work, she always makes time to talk with me and my brother. She gives us advice and helps us with our problems. My father's name is Michael, and he is 42 years old. He's a bank manager. My father is very organized and responsible, and he also has a great sense of humor. On weekends, he often cooks for the family. His favorite dish to prepare is pasta with vegetables and chicken. I really enjoy his cooking. I have one younger brother. His name is Daniel, and he is 10 years old. He is in primary school, and he is very energetic. He loves playing football with his friends in the park. Daniel is sometimes noisy, but he is also very funny, and he makes us laugh a lot. He usually plays video games after finishing his homework, and sometimes we play together. I also have a grandmother. Her name is Grace, and she lives with us in the same house. She is 68 years old. She loves gardening, and she spends a lot of time taking care of the plants and flowers in our backyard. She also tells us stories about her childhood, and I enjoy listening to her memories. My family usually spends our evenings together. After dinner, we often sit in the living room, drink tea, and talk about our day. Sometimes we watch movies or play board games. On Saturdays, we usually go shopping or visit relatives. On Sundays, we often go for a walk in the park or have a picnic if the weather is nice. I feel very lucky to have such a supportive family. Each person in my family is special, and together we make a strong team. I love them very much, and I am proud to introduce them to you.
Words and phrases.
Express myself. To show what I think or feel by speaking or writing or in some other way. Example, I often express myself through painting. Shy. Feeling nervous or not confident around new people. Example, he was too shy to ask her to dance with him. Hard-working. Someone who works a lot and tries hard. Example, my mother is a hard-working nurse. Caring person. Someone who is kind and looks after other people. Example, my grandmother is a caring person. Organized. Someone who keeps things neat and plans well. Example, my father is very organized. Responsible. Someone who does the right thing and takes care of things. Example, a responsible student always does homework. Sense of humor. Being funny and making people laugh. Example, people like her because of her sense of humor. Energetic. Someone who has a lot of energy. Example, children are usually energetic. Noisy. Making a lot of sound. Example, the kids are noisy when they play. Relatives. People in your family, like cousins, uncles, and aunts. Example, we visited our relatives last weekend. Supportive. Helping and caring for others, especially in difficult times. Example, my family is very supportive.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.